Excellency, it is now my distinct honor to invite the Prime Cabinet Secretary to make his remarks and thereafter progress the day's program. Thank you.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable William Samoei Ruto, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Professor Kindiki Kithure, Cabinet colleagues, members of Parliament, members of the Diplomatic Corps present, CEOs, PSS, and all public officers. Good morning. Your Excellency, mine will be very brief. We have appended our signatures to the performance contracts, and it is our duty to make sure that we honor what we have signed up to. Your Excellency, I can only emphasize that it will be important that as we execute our mandates, we exercise extreme humility. We also exercise integrity, and we also acknowledge that the focus must be on performance and delivery as you have assigned us in our various portfolios. Your Excellency, it is important that Parliament has also been here. They oversight us, and I think the message that we get from their presence also is that they are likely to be more vicious in their oversight assignments as they look at all the various dockets and what is expected of us. With these few remarks, it is my singular honor, Your Excellency, to now welcome the Deputy President, Professor Kindiki Kithure, to make some remarks and thereafter invite you to address us. Thank you.